Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about a proven 5 minutes Forex scalping strategy for gold that has been consistently delivering results in current market conditions. The beauty of this scalping gold lies in its predictability volatility pattern of high liquidity. What makes this approach particularly effective is that it doesn't require a complex indicator or the hour chart analysis. You just need to work with the 5 minutes on your time and the right setup. Today, I would walk you through the exact chart setup, entry triggers, and risk management techniques that forms the foundation of the gold scalping strategy, and you will learn how to identify the pattern, the perfect entry using the specific moving average combination, how to confirm your trades with momentum indicators, and most importantly, how to protect your capital when shooting for gains. Whether you're a beginner looking to start trading gold or an experienced trader seeking to add a reliable scalping technique to your arsenal, this strategy will prove that with a structured approach to capitalize on gold price movement, you can be able to profit on gold. Stay with me until the end of this video because I will be sharing some advanced techniques that can help you adapt to your strategy to protect to different market condition rather, including how to navigate the gold trading strategy during specific market sections and how to adjust your approach based on the current economic factor. So let's dive into the proven 5 minutes forex scalping strategy for gold and transform the way you trade the precious gold metal in the market. Now, the proven 5 minutes forex scalping strategy for gold is very easy because this approach has to be refined to capitalize on the unique characteristics of gold, offering you a structured method to potentially capture quick profits in short time frame. Setting up your chart to your gold scalping begins. You will need to set up your chart correctly. You open your trading platform and select the gold spot as it is on my screen. You set your time frame to 5 minutes time frame because this is crucial as our strategy is specifically designed for this time frame. The next, you have to add your indicators. You add your simple moving average of a 20 period moving average and a 50 period moving average. This is your settings for your simple moving average 20 and your 50 moving average. You would also set your relative strength index on your screen, and this is my relative strength index indicator. You set it to 14 period, a setting of 14 period. You would also have to turn on your Bollinger Band. You turn on your Bollinger Band and you use a standard deviation of 20 and you use a period deviation of 2. This is for your Bollinger Band. Now, these indicators will form the backbone of your analysis, helping you it will help you to identify trends, momentum, and potential reversals when trading this gold 5 minute strategy. Now let's see how an entry trigger would look like, or the setup would look like. Now, you start by your moving average crossover. Remember that we have a moving average on the screen. When the moving average, this blue line, and the longer period moving average, which is this yellow line, when your moving average comes to a crossover, when you see a crossover above the 50 moving average, which is this yellow line, when you see a crossover of the 20 moving average above the 50 moving average, this signals a bullish signal. When you see a crossover below the 50 moving average, when price crosses when the short term moving average, which is this blue line, the short term moving average, this blue line, that's the 20 moving average, trades below the long term moving average, it signals selling opportunity. All you need to do is to scalp in and scalp out. Instead of entering and exiting your full position at once, you would have to consider scalping in as the trade moves in your favor, scalping out when you have locked in profits. Remember multiple time frame analysis when executing on the 5 minutes time frame. You use like your 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame to confirm the overall trend before you decide to scalp using this strategy. Once you have confirmed your price action, you look for candlestick pattern that confirms the moving average signals. Engulfing pattern, hammer or pin bar can be useful or can be particularly powerful. Now let's see if we can capitalize on this. I go to my 1 hour time frame, and at this area in the market, we are going to spot the trend of the market. And as you can see, market is going to the upside at this area, assuming that we are trying to trade this part of the market. Market is trending to the upside in this area, so trying to capitalize on this through the 5 minutes time frame. Let's look for entries. We'll go to the 5 minutes time frame, and mind you, the hour time frame is trending to the upside, not just because it's moving to the upside, because first of all, we can see that market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. As we can see, price has broken the previous high, meaning that yes, we are in a bullish market. That is why I decided to say the market is trending to the upside. So going back to the 5 minutes time frame to capitalize on this information at this area that has been marked out on my chart. Remember that we said for us to capitalize on a buying opportunity, we need to see the smaller moving average, which is the 20 moving average, cross over the long term moving average, which is the 50 moving average. And as we can see a crossover at this area, we will decide to enter our trade. But remember, we would enter our trade after we see a bullish confirmation coupled with our RSI trading in the oversold region. And as we can see, our RSI is in the oversold region in this area, and we can see our bullish engulfing. This is where we would signal us to enter our buy trade. Remember, risk management for gold is very important. It is crucial for scalping. Your position size, you should never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. Calculate your position size based on your stop loss to ensure you have adhered to this rule. Your stop loss placement can use the average range indicator to set your stop loss. You can use your average range indicator to set your stop loss. Putting our average range indicator on our screen. Average range indicator, let me add that to the screen. Average range indicator, adding this average range indicator, we can decide to put our stop loss at a point in the market when we feel it is going to the upside. As you can see, it's going to the upside in this area. We can put our stop loss just below this peak in the average range indicator. Putting our stop loss below this peak, as you can see, at the area of this peak is where we put our stop loss. And our take profit, we can aim for our typical 1:2 risk to reward ratio or 1:3. Remember, we are scalping in and scalping out. At least go for at least twice your potential loss in case you are trading this strategy. Remember, successful scalping requires quick decision making and disciplined execution in the market. This is basically what it means. You have to go for a quick move to the upside. And remember, you have to have a disciplined You have to also have a disciplined entry technique to your strategy. You should have a disciplined entry technique. Remember, first of all, we have to practice this strategy on a demo account until you can see consistent positive results before risking real capital. It is a very easy strategy, and you first practice this on your demo account. With time and experience, you can develop the skill to potentially capitalize on small but frequent moves in the gold market. So consis ten cy pays by continuous practice. You have to practice this strategy series of times before you can say yes and you are well acquainted to this strategy. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you would never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.